Hi, this is Damien. Are you using multiple languages for your high-level pages? Then this video is for you. You're probably having something like this, a page where the user can switch the languages just by clicking a button. And then you have the different languages on different pages. But the user already set his language in the browser. So why can we not do it automatically? I'm going to show you how you can do this. So here we are in our web page builder. I have 3 pages, the main page, a German page, and a Spanish page. And in the main page, I'm going to edit it. And here I simply click on the tracking code. And here we want to insert our JavaScript. So first, script and script tag closed. And inside this, I'm going to write some comments so we know what we're doing. We first want to set the URLs for each page. And then we want to get the browser language. And then we want to redirect if available. For the first step, we set a constant and we name it URLs. And that's an array of the items we want to have pages for. So the Spanish one, ES, goes on the web page you have. I have here a placeholder domain, so I'm going to type it in here. You, of course, change it to your domains. The Spanish one is ES, and the German one is DE. Here you would put your domain names and your pages, like the link to the pages. And if you have multiple languages, like more than 2, you can just simply make a comma and have as many as you like. And for the second step, we want to get the browser language into a variable. Let's call it userlang. And it comes from the navigator language. And depending on the browser, it's sometimes navigator or navigator user language. And we want to have it in a short term, so just ES or DE or whatever there is for language. So let's name it short lang, and we slice the user lang variable with the function slice. And for the last step, we want to loop through all the possible languages here from this array. And then if it's available, we want to redirect to this page. So that's a for loop, URLs, and if a short lang equals lang, we want to redirect. The redirection is window location href equals, and then from the URLs, like the constant on above, we want to get the lang. So it loops here in all the URLs. This constant has 2 items. It saves it temporarily in the variable long. And if the variable long is the user language, like the short language from here, if it's available, so it redirects the window. Let's see if it works. This browser is set to English, so it shouldn't redirect. I click on the preview and it doesn't redirect. I have a second browser, which I was setting in German. And let's see if it redirects here. It does. So it works. This is how you automatically redirect the user to a multilingual page by the browser language. I hope you find this video useful. See you in the next.